What to do if kitchen sink won't drain. A clogged kitchen sink is a common household nuisance that can disrupt your daily routine and potentially lead to more serious plumbing issues if left unaddressed. This comprehensive guide will walk you through various methods to tackle a stubborn sink blockage, from simple DIY solutions to when it's time to call in the professionals. Understanding the cause of your clogged sink. Before diving into solutions, it's essential to understand what might be causing your kitchen sink to drain slowly or not at all. Common culprits include 1. Food debris, 2. Grease and oil buildup, 3. Soap scum, 4. Foreign objects, 5. Tree root intrusion in severe cases. Identifying the potential cause can help you choose the most effective method to clear the blockage. DIY solutions for a clogged kitchen sink. 1. Boiling water method. One of the simplest and most cost-effective methods to try first is the boiling water technique. Steps. 1. Boil a full kettle of water. 2. Carefully pour the boiling water directly into the drain in stages. 3. Allow the hot water to work for a few minutes between each pour. 4. Run the tap to check if the clog has cleared. This method is particularly effective for grease-based clogs, as the heat helps to melt and dislodge the obstruction. 2. Plunger power. A plunger is a versatile tool that can be used for more than just toilet clogs. For kitchen sinks, opt for a flat-bottomed sink plunger. Steps. 1. Fill the sink with a few inches of water to create a seal. 2. Place the plunger over the drain, ensuring it covers the opening completely. 3. Plunge vigorously for 20-30 seconds. 4. Check if the water drains. Repeat the process if necessary. The suction created by the plunger can often dislodge minor to moderate clogs. 3. Baking soda and vinegar solution. This natural, chemical-free method is both eco-friendly and effective for many types of clogs. Steps. 1. Pour 1 to 2 cup of baking soda down the drain. 2. Follow with 1 pour 2 cup of white vinegar. 3. Immediately cover the drain with a stopper or cloth. 4. Let the mixture sit for 15-30 minutes. 5. Flush with hot water. The chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar can help break down organic matter and clear minor blockages. 4. Manual removal with a plumber's snake. For more stubborn clogs, a plumber's snake, also known as an auger, can be highly effective. Steps. 1. Insert the end of the snake into the drain opening. 2. Slowly feed the snake further into the pipe, turning the handle clockwise. 3. When you feel resistance, continue turning to break through or hook onto the clog. 4. Slowly pull the snake back out, bringing the debris with it. 5. Run hot water to clear any remaining residue. This method is particularly useful for removing solid objects or compacted debris that other methods can't dislodge. Chemical drain cleaners. Use with caution. While chemical drain cleaners are readily available, they should be used sparingly and as a last resort before calling a professional. These products can be harmful to your pipes, the environment, and your health if not used correctly. If you choose to use a chemical cleaner, 1. Follow the instructions carefully. 2. Ensure proper ventilation. 3. Wear protective gloves and eyewear. 4. Never mix different chemical cleaners. Preventive measures to keep your sink flowing. To minimize the risk of future clogs, consider implementing these preventive measures. 1. Use a sink strainer to catch food particles and debris. 2. Avoid pouring grease or oil down the drain. 3. Run hot water after each use to prevent buildup. 4. Regularly clean your garbage disposal if you have one. 5. Perform monthly maintenance with baking soda and vinegar flush. When to call a professional plumber. While many sink clogs can be resolved with DIY methods, some situations warrant professional intervention. 1. Persistent clogs that don't respond to home remedies. 2. Multiple drains clogged simultaneously. 3. Foul odors emanating from the drain. 4. Visible damage to pipes or fixtures. 5. Water backing up into other sinks or tubs. A professional plumber has the tools and expertise to diagnose and resolve complex drainage issues safely and effectively. In summary, a clogged kitchen sink can be a frustrating experience, but armed with these techniques, you can often resolve the issue quickly and easily. Remember to start with the simplest solutions before progressing to more involved methods. Regular maintenance and mindful use of your kitchen sink can go a long way in preventing future clogs and ensuring smooth flowing drains for years to come. By incorporating these tips and techniques into your household maintenance routine, you'll be well equipped to handle most sink drainage issues that come your way. Keep your kitchen functioning smoothly and avoid the stress of a backed-up sink by staying proactive and informed about proper drain care. And for any further assistance, call my Calgary Plumber at 587-707-0606